welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'm about to make a gold lip gloss. So before we get started, obviously we put the Versagel in a bowl or plastic, whatever you want to do, and then I'm going to use coconut oil. What I like to do is I like to add little by little to just to see, because there's no point in adding so much versus oil, because then it just won't make sense. And that's what I do. This is going absolutely fantastic. Actually, I hope you guys have a great new year, filled with love, positivity, happiness and health. I know your friends, that everybody's safe, you know, during these unprecedented times. That's all done. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to add the glitter. Oh my gosh. I want it to be like shining in gold. Oh my god, this looks beautiful. So I did add a bit of butterflies because I thought it needed something. I added a tiny bit and then I don't know what happened. I decided to just go overboard. I still love it. It's such a beautiful colour. So I'm going to be filling it in our syringe. How it looks. It looks in the syringe. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to cut this. This is a pipette. I'll just cut it out here. Cut it like that, and then you're going to also cut the end of this side as well, like that. And then you're just going to attach this bit to this. It goes in like this. Then you're gonna just push and it should come out like here. Yeah, this is hard to come out, isn't it? Like that. That one's done. Oh, look how beautiful that is. It's got all the little butterflies. Oh, okay, so on to number 2. And just like that, we're finished. So this is how it turned out. Oh gosh, I think it looks so nice. Anyway, on that note, thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye guys. Bye guys.